Hello, once again welcome to Mathline channel. In this channel you will be getting a basic maths lesson every week. Those who have not watched the previous lessons, please watch from the beginning and continue watching. So let us start today's lesson, that is properties of similarity. You have studied similar figures, condition for similarity in triangles, test for similarity. Now we will study some basic properties of similarity. So we'll consider the case of similar triangles or similarity in triangles. So here the first property is that there is a triangle. Name is triangle ABC. It is understood that triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. It is a property. What does it mean? Every triangle is similar to itself. Here there is only one triangle is there. What is the property? Every triangle is similar to itself. This property is known as property of reflexivity. But it is property of reflexivity. What is that property? Every triangle is similar to itself. Now the second property, there are two triangles. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If it is like that, then triangle PQR similar to triangle ABC. What does it mean? How many triangles are here? Two triangles. If a triangle is similar to a second, then the second triangle is similar to the first. What does it mean? Two similar triangles are similar to each other. Clear? If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC. This property is known as property of symmetry. What it is? Property of symmetry. Next one, there are three triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle PQR and triangle LMN. What is the property? If a triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR and triangle PQR similar to triangle LMN, then triangle LMN is similar to triangle ABC. Three triangles are there. What is the property? If a triangle is similar to a second triangle and this second triangle is similar to a third triangle, then the third triangle is similar to the first, or the first triangle is similar to the third. So this property is known as property of transitivity. It is true when there is a fourth triangle, fifth triangle, etc. That is, if a triangle is similar to a second, second is similar to a third, third is similar to the 4. Fourth is similar to fifth. Like that, how many number of triangles are possible? If it is like that, all these triangles are similar to one another. Where similarity is transferring from one triangle to the other. That is why the property is called property of transitivity. Initially, first triangle is similar to a second, then second triangle is similar to the third, then the first triangle is similar to the third, or third triangle is similar to the first. The similarity is go on transferring. Clear? Suppose there is this third triangle is similar to the fourth, then we can say that the fourth triangle is similar to the first. So all these similar triangles are similar to one another. Now, so how many properties you have studied? Reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity. In reflexivity only one triangle. Every triangle is similar to itself. In symmetry there are two triangles. If a triangle is similar to a second, second is similar to the first. In transitivity more than two triangles. Clear? Here three triangles are given. So one more important thing I want to tell you. Here we considered only triangles. These three properties, that is reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity, are applicable for all similar figures. So generally how we will define reflexivity? Every figure is similar to itself. And how you will define symmetry? If a figure is similar to a second figure, then the second figure is similar to the first. And how we will define transitivity? If a figure is similar to a second figure and the second figure is similar to the third, then the third figure is similar to the first. So remember that it is not only for triangles, all other figures it is applicable, the property of similarity. What are the three properties? Reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity. That is all about today's lesson. I would like to explain. Thank you for watching this lesson. Please share and forward as much as possible to the students of all standards. Also subscribe the channel Mathline. See you next week with a new topic. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.